Hello and welcome to the WEVOLVE Lifestyle Blog Tour. WEVOLVE is all about self-love, inspiration, and empowerment for your life. Blog topics are meant to be relatable to both current and former athletes as I draw on my personal experiences and the experiences of others. That being said, they are also meant to be relatable to a larger audience, especially those passionate about the fitness and wellness spaces. To learn more about WEVOLVE and everything behind it, simply click on the About page and you will find all of the relevant information there. On the home page, as we scroll down, you'll find the 3 most recent blog posts, the option to subscribe to WEVOLVE, and you can also see real-time WEVOLVE tweets in the bottom left-hand corner, which will be shown on all of the WEVOLVE pages. If you look at one of the featured posts and the information sounded interesting to you, simply click on Continue Reading and that will take you to the full blog post. Each of the WEVOLVE blog posts gives you the option to share to multiple popular social media platforms. The posts also contain relevant tags pertinent to the topic covered in the post. You can also like each individual post and leave a comment at the bottom. On the blog page, this is where all of the content WEVOLVE has produced is housed. You'll find the most recent posts at the top, and then you can continue scrolling to see all of the others. At the bottom, you can also see the option to subscribe again. The contact page is how you get in touch with WEVOLVE through filling out a form, following on Twitter, or emailing at the Gmail account listed. WEVOLVE also has a disclaimer page that you can take a look through if you are interested. And on each of the pages, you will notice the Twitter icon where that will also take you to the WEVOLVE Twitter site. Thank you for watching my tour, and I hope you enjoy the content.